What is Sanofi picking up here? What is the latest on this deal?
Yes, good morning to you. In this transaction, the latest for Sanofi, they are getting this U.S. company, Principia, as you say. They focus on treatments for multiple sclerosis and other disorders. And now this is a company that Sanofi knows very well. The two are already partners in a drug under development that's aimed at MS and other diseases. And we knew this was a possibility. Actually, our colleagues on the deals team at Bloomberg reported last month that they were considering potential acquisitions of U.S. targets, among them Principia. So in this case, they are gaining access to a pipeline of drugs known as BTK inhibitors that are being developed to treat autoimmune disorders. The company sees a lot of promise in this field. They've described a couple of the key assets as having, as they put it, pipeline in a product potential. In other words, individual drugs that could be rolled out for not just one illness, but for multiple diseases. And the company said in February that this was an area in which they could garner, potentially 50% of the market for MS drugs. So clearly an area in which Sanofi and its new chief are keen to expand.
Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that one. Also, in the drug space, we saw a really big rally in CureVac, didn't we? The German company listing in the United States on Friday. Really strong rally there, and that's flowing into Europe as well. So, what does it tell us about the race for a vaccine that we see CureVac doing so well?
That's right. I mean, the coming weeks and months are going to be crucial for a lot of these COVID vaccine developers. They're moving very swiftly through clinical trials. A number of the programs are going to have significant data to report in the coming months to demonstrate whether they're going to work. CureVac, obviously, as you say, is one of the key players. In some cases, I think we've seen investors' expectations race ahead of reality. There are a number of companies, Moderna included, that have posted huge gains. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens here.